installation projects require a systematic approach to ensure safety, functionality, and longevity. Here's a breakdown of key considerations for successful installations. Firstly, prioritize critical installations. Focus on marking out drawings for essential components that need to be installed first. This ensures proper functionality and safety are addressed early in the process. Secondly, review and verify drawings. Carefully examine the drawings to identify any discrepancies, errors, or areas of concern. Consult with experienced engineers or technicians if necessary to clarify details. This step is crucial for preventing costly mistakes and delays. Thirdly, consider environmental factors. Take into account the environment where the installation will take place, including temperature, humidity, and potential hazards. Adjust the installation plan accordingly to ensure the subject will function properly in the given conditions. Fourthly, plan for maintenance and accessibility. Ensure that the subject can be easily accessed for future maintenance and repairs. Consider factors such as proper spacing, ventilation, and tool access. This will save time and resources in the long run. Fifthly, adhere to standards and regulations. Verify that the installation meets all applicable industry standards, building codes, and safety regulations. Obtain necessary permits and approvals before proceeding with the installation. Compliance is essential for legal and safety reasons. Sixthly, communicate effectively. Maintain clear communication with the engineering team and construction crew throughout the installation process. Address any questions or concerns promptly to avoid delays or errors. Open communication fosters collaboration and prevents misunderstandings. Seventhly, seek expert guidance if needed. If faced with complex technical challenges or uncertainties, do not hesitate to seek guidance from qualified engineers or contractors. External expertise can help ensure a successful installation. Eighthly, document the process. Keep a written record of the installation process, including any modifications or adjustments made. This documentation will be valuable for future reference and troubleshooting. Ninthly, test and commission thoroughly. Once the installation is complete, thoroughly test and commission the subject to ensure it meets performance specifications and operates safely. Pay attention to detail and verify all functions and features. Tenthly, seek feedback and make adjustments. After the installation is complete, gather feedback from users and observe the subject's performance over time. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize the installation and ensure long-term satisfaction. Detailed review of the plans is very important. Check every detail, connection, support, and ensure you understand how everything goes together. Look for potential clashes with other services such as plumbing, ductwork, or structural elements. Ensure the correct materials and components are specified for the application. Verify voltage, amperage, and other electrical requirements. Consider the weight and size of the equipment and ensure the structure can support it. Plan for adequate ventilation and cooling if necessary. Ensure all safety guards and interlocks are in place and functioning correctly. Check for proper grounding and bonding of all electrical equipment. Verify the control system logic and ensure it operates as intended. Test all alarms and safety shutdown systems. Calibrate all sensors and instruments. Document all test results and any adjustments made. Provide training to the operators on the proper use and maintenance of the equipment. Schedule regular inspections and maintenance to ensure continued safe and reliable operation. Keep records of all maintenance activities. Address any issues or concerns promptly. Follow all applicable safety procedures and regulations. Use appropriate personal protective equipment. Be aware of potential hazards and take steps to mitigate them. Seek guidance from qualified professionals when needed. Continuously improve the installation process based on feedback and experience. Consider the long-term sustainability of the installation. Use energy-efficient equipment and practices. Minimize waste and pollution. Promote responsible resource management. Engage with the community and stakeholders. Be transparent and accountable. Foster a culture of safety and continuous improvement. Always double-check. Always triple-check. Assume nothing and verify everything.